And we're back with the Michelle Valentine Show, and guess where we're at? Yes, we are at the Aloma Cinema Grill, and I have right next to me Mr. Devin Long. He's the president, the owner of this place, and he's going at it very aggressively. He's starting a new marketing strategy to get people in here, and I think he's working out because this place is great. Devin, I got a couple questions for you. First of all, tell me, what is the connection between movies and romance?
No, you would ask me something like that, wouldn't you? We just went over a set of questions, and this was not one of them. I think that the connection is it's a very easy place to meet people. You know, you can go to the movies, it's safe, and if things don't work out, you can sit and watch the movie. If they do, then you enjoy a great movie. But the big thing about our place is you can sit down, you can have a meal, good meal, beer, wine, and enjoy yourself and watch a movie.
Oh, that's great. The setting here is awesome because they have the little round tables that you can have just two sitting down. You can cozy up. The chairs are super comfortable. The food is great. They even have sangria here, which is one of my favorites. So I was really surprised. And I've been coming to this place for quite a while now, and I like the new thing you did now with two different theaters, and it's just a great setting. But I got another question for you.
Sure.
You're sitting next to your lady, right, in a movie theater. Not like this one, a regular, average movie theater. And you buy a bag of pistachio nuts.
Okay.
Okay. Would you peel the nuts for her, or would you let her peel her own nuts? Okay, we're talking about pistachio nuts, my friend.
Okay, you always have to. That's one of my prerequisites. If you're going to get pistachio nuts, you must peel them for your lady.
Okay, okay. I think this man would score. All right, all right. Now, let me see. I have another question for you. This place over here, obviously you have all sorts of people that come to this type of movie theaters. Do you think that is a trend now in couples to go out and one of the things that they do the most is go to the theater together?
Well, I think, you know, with the economy the way it is today and everybody's got a lot of less disposable time to go out and do things, we kind of look at ourselves as one-stop shopping. Instead of going to one place and having dinner and then you wait and your food comes out late and then you have to rush to the theater, you do it all in one shot right here. So I think that's the big connection. It's all one-stop shopping. It's easy and it's simple. And with people with a lot less time, we're a great fit.
I think he says it all. It's really true what he just said, because normally you would go to a movie theater and then you have to rush to get to the movie. And in this thing, you get it all in one shot. How beautiful is that? And they have sangria. Did I say that before? You did. I think I mentioned they have sangria. Okay, so thank you very much, Devin. I really appreciate it for having us here. And I think we're gonna do the pizza and a movie. So we'll definitely be back to this place. So and come and check it out. All right. Thanks a lot, Devin.
Thank you very much.
Take care. And we're here. We're inside. Now check this place out. They have little tables, little round tables. You come and sit down. Garçon, please, a glass of sangria. And they bring everything to you. They have food in here. They have chicken wings. They have nachos. They have all potato skins, all kinds of stuff. So it's a pretty neat place to come. And I think it's pretty romantic. We're going to see a couple, couples of all ages sitting down here and watching this movie. Again, what we're doing here today is dinner and a movie. And the Michelle Valentine Show is here. We're going to do a pizza and a movie next. And this is the Aloma Cinema Grill. So keep it in mind. Come on over and check it out. Bring your loved one. And if you don't have one, bring somebody out on a date, even if you don't know them, because movies are a great way to start a relationship. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go around and bother a couple people while they're eating, and we'll see what they think about being in a movie and actually experiencing. See, what I was trying to project when I was talking to these other people is that you have a lot of feelings when you come and see movies. Some movies make you cry, some movies make you laugh, some movies make you feel aggressive. But when you share this with somebody else, you get their point of view. That not necessarily is the same as yours, but you get to know that person a little better, even if it is a friend. And when it comes to a relationship with it, which is a loved one, you get to see angles of that person that you would normally not see because you're exposing them to whatever the movie exposed you to. So it's a good thing. I think movies and romance are a good combination there. So we'll be back in a little bit, and we're going to talk to some of the people here, and we'll let you check out some of the food, the drinks. Stick around for the Aloma Cinema Grill, dinner, and a movie.
If you're enjoying the Michelle Valentine Show, you will love her new travel TV show, Love, Eat, Travel. Follow Michelle Valentine as she travels the world, showcasing the most beautiful destinations, unique adventures, romantic things to do, delicious foods, and more. Visit www.loveeattravel.tv for more information about an upcoming TV show.
Hi, this is Michelle Valentine, and I would love if you followed me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Be sure to visit my website, michellevalentine.tv, for more information, read thousands of interesting blog posts, watch videos, enter sweepstakes, and more. Also, be sure to join my email list to receive my free weekly e-newsletter.
Are you wondering where all the quality singles are? Singles that are attractive, educated, and financially secure? Hello, I'm Michelle Valentine, and I've helped thousands of singles live a happier life, and I can help you too. Clients and members include millionaires, models, doctors, lawyers, and teachers. So call us for your complimentary consultation.